Good evening, welcome to Boolean Buffet. Today we are going to discuss about Humva AI. This is the Humva AI dashboard, and once you registered by using your login or email ID, then this is your home page. You will be able to see this home page, and the purpose of using this Humva AI is to enable users to create realistic um, AI generated video using the digital avatar. So these are all the predefined avatar which has already available in this Humva AI. And basically this AI it's really useful, like if you want to create any social media post or product instructions or testimonials or marketing your product or campaign and much more. So for these kind of the use cases you can obviously use this Humva AI, and without doing much effort, or without if you don't have any editing video editing knowledge, and definitely this AI is really helpful to you to create the video within a minute. And this is the actual dashboard, and you can create your own avatar also, and I'll explain all the features one by one here. And let me quickly explore one of the avatar here. So I think you can
with beauty,
you can
balance,
hear
and
this
boldness.
avatar.
Discover the art of
So when I choose this avatar, and when I play, and
life's too short for ordinary.
see,
Let's curate a lifestyle that feels uniquely you, filled with
see the based on that you can choose your avatar, and you can change the lifestyle, whether it could be a studio or nature or outdoors. You can do whatever you want. And if you prefer if you choose the any avatar, and you can type the content here. So based on this content, the avatar, this AI will literally help you to create a video. Like this part is nothing but to choose your um, voice. So this voice is already predefined in the Humva AI. So based on these conditions, you can choose American, British, or Indian type, or young, or adult, or old, and male or female. And so based on that, of course the multilingual also applicable, like you can choose any language. And I'll choose the English and Indian, and I'll choose young. Okay, I'll choose
let's make this awesome together.
this one, Krishna, and male, and confirm it. Okay, here the audio as chosen here, and here the content, uh, the content you want to provide. So based on the this content, the avatar will speak about it. And also you can drag and drop your audio file also. So once you export it, then it will create some the file. That file you can you will be able to see that file in the project folder. So before creating the video, I just explore a few things. So this is the avatar which I created by myself. So I personally upload my images and create this avatar. Okay, let me take a look this one. So I created my own avatar here. So I already okay, this one. Let me Okay, so this is the avatar which I created a few minutes before. So this is my photo, and you can choose any resolution, like 16 bar 9 or 9 bar 16, and whether it could be outdoor or studio lifestyle. So you can choose whatever you want. So based on that, it will create your custom avatar. And I'll add the content. So if you want to promote your video or product, you can add the content here. So here I can add some basic content. Let me add the basic content here. Okay, I'll Okay, this is my avatar. So, okay, I am Praveen, and at some XYZ company. Okay, let's try to export it. Okay, the task created. So it will take some time to create the video. So this is how the task will be created, and let's go to the plan. So this is a subscription usage. So once you signed up, then you will get the 36 credits, and you can able to create the 3 minutes video. And when you upgrade it, you will get 720 points, and unlimited points when you go to the $89 per month. So this is how the plan works. And so I already created a video by some content. So let me quickly play this video.
Introducing our latest
So
innovation,
so
the
this is the
JSW security product
basic
designed for
video which I
convenience.
created using this
Built
Canva. Of course, the watermark is completely enabled because I choose the free plan. That's why the watermark is enabled. And somehow the lip sync is not matched here. But of course, if you want to create a video in a quick span, then this Humva AI really helpful, and you can reuse this template and download it. And you can able to download the video in an mp4 format. And the avatar library, this is a predefined library. And of course, you can filter the topic here, like the outdoor. I choose the lifestyle, and gender female, and choose adult, or okay, choose the young adult. Then this is how the avatar look like. And
Too short for or
of course,
Life's
it's
too short
pretty
for ordinary.
amazing, right?
Let's curate a
So
lifestyle that feels
without
uniquely
taking
you,
much time and
filled with
without taking
beauty,
any
balance,
effort,
and
you can create a video in a quick span. So, and you can also choose the 9 bar 16. So this is how the 9 bar 16 resolution works. And you can of course, if you play this, then the hand also moving once you created the video. See, I'll play
life's
here.
too short for
See.
ordinary. Let's curate a lifestyle that feels uniquely you, filled with beauty, balance, and boldness.
Okay, somehow the lip sync is not matched, but you can explore it if you want. If you want to do a video in a very quick time, then this Humva AI is really helpful. And there are many thing you can do that by using this Humva AI. First one is create a custom spoken person videos, like generate a video featuring a digital avatar delivering your scripted messages. That message you can copy and paste it over this plate, like this area. And choose from thousands of avatars. Yeah, this Humva AI, we have multiple predefined avatars, so you can choose whatever you want and select. It has a vast library with the predefined avatar, so you can choose and upload your the content. And of course, this is also upload your photo, and you can create your own avatar and utilize advanced lip sync technology and product content for various applications. So, and key features like it's really user friendly because there are nothing much complex UI available here. So only the user related information. And once you signed up, you will get into this home page and choose your avatar and add your content and export it. And that's it. The video will be generated automatically, and you can download it. So this is how it works. And extensive customization, like the tailor's avatar appearances, voice and gesture, and language to match your brand or messages. And multi-language support, like apart from the English, you can choose the Portuguese and Hindi also. Then flexible pricing plan, that's the plan we discussed. So these are the monthly plan and annual plan. So of course, so this is really a helpful AI. And if you have a time, try to explore it, and you will get to know the features of this Humva AI. and it's really helpful for the people who want to create the video in 1 day or in 1 minute, because without having any much knowledge in video editing or because of the if you create an video and if you do the editing process in the software, then definitely it will take a lot amount of time. So you can avoid that by using this Humva AI. This is really helpful. Try to explore it, and it's really useful for everyone. And thank you so much, and I'll come up with a new AI in my next video. Thank you.